Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you've joined me today. Let's dive right into our word of the day, which is associated. Associated is a B2 level adjective that means connected or linked. It's a word we use when talking about relationships between people, things, or ideas. For example, you might say, she is associated with the local theater group, meaning she has a connection to or is linked to that group. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for associated. Words like connected, related, and linked all share similar meanings. For instance, the symptoms are connected to the illness, or the two events are related because they happened at the same time. Each of these synonyms can be used when describing a bond or connection. On the other hand, there are also antonyms for associated, which highlight contrasting ideas. Words like unrelated, independent, and separate show a lack of connection. For example, her project is unrelated to the current discussion, or the two tasks are independent and don't overlap. In everyday life, you'll find associated used in many situations. You might hear someone say, the risks associated with smoking are well documented, or that smell is often associated with freshly baked cookies. Whether you're describing connections in health, experiences, or memories, this word fits right in. Let's look at a few more examples. The brand is often associated with luxury and high quality. Feelings of nostalgia are sometimes associated with childhood memories. The professor is associated with the university's history department. To sum it all up, today we explored the word associated, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and everyday usage. I hope you feel more confident using this word in your own conversations. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it means so much to me. Here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using associated and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with.
See you next time.